consciousness. Consciousness, what is consciousness? Consciousness is a point inside you, in your body, to feel with. When you are doing any action with your physical body, you must get attached with that point. Then you are conscious. Then you can say you are with your real self. Actually, what we do throughout the day, we are totally identical with this body. We do everything, every action unconsciously, and that is the main cause of karmic bond. Our soul gets involved in karmic bond if the work done is unconscious. If we do anything unconsciously, then our soul is bound in karmic bonds. But if we make a point of sense, a point of awareness, a consciousness in our body that separates us from this body and join and connects, a connection with the soul is created when we are in consciousness, when we are aware what we are doing with this physical body. Suppose you are running, you are walking, and you are conscious, you are fully aware that which part of your body is doing which action. Your toes, your feet, your knees, your thighs, your hands, your arms, neck, chest, back, head, forehead. All these parts of your physical body, they are in action while you are running or you are walking. If you are conscious, if you have made a point of consciousness inside you that these parts of my body are in action, they are doing, they are walking, they are running, then you are conscious, and then you really connect with your real self. If you are conscious, you are connected with your real self. If you are unconscious, then you are doing things in automatic mode, only with your physical body knowing, without knowing that what you are doing. We have five senses: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. While using these senses, if we are fully aware what the eyes are watching, ears are listening, and the smell, and the tongue, and the skin, what they are doing, if we are fully aware, if we are fully conscious, then these senses do not bind us with karmic bonds. We are free from karmic bonds. If you are conscious about the food you are eating with your tongue, you are conscious about the taste, you are conscious about your hands, your fingers involved in eating the food, helping you in eating the food, then you are conscious and you are not bound in karmic bonds. Your soul is free from karmic bonds. Any action, any movement, any work done by our physical body, if we do it consciously, then these actions do not bound us in karmic bonds. We are free from karmic bonds. Similarly, when we are thinking, we must be conscious about our mind. What are our thoughts? What are we thinking? So you must be conscious about your mind while thinking. It will relieve you also when you focus, or you are fully aware, or you are conscious about your mind. Then your thoughts, they stop for some time,